Naomi Home presents the Skylar Snowflocked Artificial Christmas Tree Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This artificial Christmas tree comes as shown with pre-assembled lighting that makes setting up that much easier. To commence, extend the legs of the stand so they form an X shape. Thread the eye bolts into the stand, insert the bottom section of the tree onto the stand, and tighten till the pole is firmly secured. Then insert the middle section of the tree onto the bottom section. Now insert the top section of the tree onto the middle section. Connect the Christmas tree lights from the bottom section onto the middle section. Do the same for the middle and top section. Spread out each branch and tip as shown. Fluff up the tree and fill in any gaps or holes, and the tree will look more full. And there you have it. Your Skylar Snowflocked Artificial Christmas Tree is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.